Watch how
why
this
you're
search
ranking the way that
engineer
you
who
are.
invented the
And you
search
also
engine
see an
model
example of one of the
explains
sites
why
that Google
all
biases.
SEO software has
So
to
at
cite
any
his
given moment, you're
patent.
going to see, basically there's this room full of algorithms, and they've all been meticulously developed over the course of maybe 20 years. I started in 2006. I'm actually one of the founders. And if you look at the bottom of MarketBrew's site, marketbrew.ai, you'll see all the patent numbers. And those patent numbers were all filed in 2006. All of those patents now are cited by Google. So all of these, basically all the SEO tools in the industry, they all cite these patents. The original idea of, hey, why don't we create a search engine that you can navigate through, like a transparent search engine, right? For like what you would expect if Google trusted SEOs. And this is all vestiges of, like, older technology where it was, lots of loopholes and people could just take advantage of the search engine. So they had to distrust SEOs. But today we have things like embeddings, knowledge graphs and all kinds of stuff that we can rely on as search engineers, and we don't really have many loopholes anymore. And so I think we see search moving towards that. Hopefully, I don't know. So each algorithm we have internally, we can see a list of all the landing pages in that search result, right? We apply the algorithm to every page. And by the way, we've crawled all of those sites as well on that page is from. So we built, like, 2 levels deep, inbound and outbound, of each of these landing pages in the SERP. So it takes a little while to build these models, but it's essentially applied to every single landing page the same way. So we have a list for each algorithm. We have a whole sorted list of scores. And so we can see which ones, the sites that Google biases and the ones that they don't. And so when we find which algorithms are the most correlated in that search result, we can then look at where are the biggest levers to pull. We look at our score for each algorithm, and then we look at one of the sites that Google biases. Either we're in that group or we're not. And if we're not, is it far away? Like, is there a big gap there? Because if there is, then all of a sudden that's an important thing for us, right? Because we can make huge gains by just copying what they're doing. The task systems, it'll take one site that Google biases. It says, here's what they do. Here's the output of that algorithm for them. And this is the output of the algorithm for you.